Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Sephora haul. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you enjoy beauty product reviews, home organization, self-care, and all the things that us women do for ourselves and in our lives, then you've definitely come to the right place. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So the first product I purchased is from the Inkey list, and this is the Oat Cleansing Balm. Now, this is what I use for a double cleanse. I usually use an oil for a double cleanse, but I wanted to try this balm. This is to help remove all of your makeup before cleansing your skin. It removes makeup, it removes SPF, it just sort of helps to take everything off of your skin. Then you go in with a cleanser to really clean your skin. I'm interested in this for a couple reasons. One, I like that it's in a tube, so I can easily put this in my shower and go ahead and use it before wetting my face, because you do use a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm on dry skin. And two, because it's affordable. The Inkey list is a brand that has all affordable prices. All of their products are affordable. They are compared to the brand The Ordinary, which is another very affordable priced brand. So for those two reasons, I wanted to try this. Plus, oat is really good for your skin. Let's see what it looks like here. Okay, so it comes out a little bit liquidy, so it almost feels like it's already an oil. Oh, that's interesting. I thought that I was gonna have to turn a clumpy type balm into an oil, but it comes out as an oil already. Oh, that's interesting. It feels really nice. Okay, and it has no scent whatsoever, so there's no fragrance in this product, which is a plus. Okay, so the next product I purchased from them is also by the Inkey list, and this is the CERAMIDE Night Treatment. So ceramides, if you're not familiar with ceramides, ceramides are already in your skin. Basically, if I were to try to explain it, ceramides, if you're looking at a brick wall, ceramides would be the cement in between the bricks to help glue or cement the bricks together. And that glue helps to create a barrier so that things can't get out or things can't get in. So ceramides really help with your skin barrier. So right now, as I'm aging, as I'm getting older, I just turned 48 years old. One of the things that I noticed with my skin is it's drying. My skin used to be acne prone, oily skin, and now it's changed to, I still get little breakouts here and there that I have to take care of and treat, but now my skin is really dry with sometimes an oily T-zone. So my skin is definitely changing, and ceramides is something that I have been using a lot of to help prevent dryness and to help moisturize, protect, and hydrate my skin. So all the products that I'm trying right now that have ceramides in it are all moisturizers. So this is the first product that I'm trying that is not a moisturizer, it's a treatment. And I love that it's in this airtight pump. So let's see. Oh, that's a really nice feeling. That feels fantastic. It's very soothing. It feels really nice on the skin, and my skin is just absorbing it very nicely. It doesn't have any scent whatsoever, so it feels wonderful. What I've found using ceramides is that every product I've tried that has ceramides in it, the feeling of the moisturizer, or in this case, this treatment, there's something very protective about the formula. I mean the ceramides that actually make your skin feel protected. I really have noticed that in every ceramide product I've tried. So I can imagine how much it's really helping to protect my skin and help my skin barrier and really hold and retain that hydration and that water into my skin. So the next product I purchased is by Summer Fridays, and it's their Sheer Skin Tint. It's a light coverage skin tint. And what I've found is that I am not someone who loves foundation. Foundation is too heavy on my skin. It's very cakey. For some reason, foundation, no matter what foundation I try, just doesn't look good on my skin. So I'm really into BB creams, CC creams, and skin tints. This is what I'm wearing on my skin right now. It's very light. I really love how it feels like it's a moisturizer slash serum with coverage. It doesn't feel like an extra layer of makeup. It feels like I'm putting skincare on my skin. So I got mine in the shade 3, and I could go ahead and show you what that shade looks like. See how thin that is? It's so light, and that's what I love about it. It really is just a sheer tint, but there's also enough coverage. I feel like it really does help to cover any dark spots on my skin, and it also leaves my skin with this really beautiful glow. So I've been loving this. I've been using it now for about a week or maybe 2 weeks now, and I love it. So the next two products are for the eyelashes, and the first being this Lancome eyelash booster. So I love Lancome mascaras. I have loved Lancome mascara for decades. I can't even believe I could say that. I've been using Lancome mascara for decades. Oh my gosh, I am totally having a moment right now. Anyways, I am 48, so okay. Anyways, Lancome Booster, Eyelash Booster is one of the best eyelash boosters I've ever tried. So let me show you the wand. I love the wand, and I don't know if you could see, but in this serum, in this white serum, there are tiny fibers. And so when you use the booster, you put it on your eyelashes before applying mascara. And the booster has fibers that help to lengthen your lashes and that help to add volume to your lashes. And after you use one coat of the booster, you then use 2 coats of whatever mascara you're using. And it just helps to have a more volume, full and long eyelashes, more length, more volume. It just looks wonderful. And if you don't have a lot of eyelashes, I would highly recommend trying a booster. If the Lancome booster is on the pricey side for you, then a really great dupe is the L'Oreal Eyelash Serum Booster. They have one that is very similar to this one. I do prefer this one over the Lancome one, over the L'Oreal one, but I have both and I use them both. Okay, so the last thing I purchased was an eyelash curler from Tarte. Now, I was using a different eyelash curler by CERAMIDE. I found it at Costco about a year ago, and I liked it for quite a while. But then after a while, I noticed that as I would curl my eyelashes would pluck out. So I was losing eyelashes with that eyelash curler. So I had to go back to my tried and true, which is this Tarte eyelash curler. For some reason, this one just really curls my lashes really tight. I could get right up to my lash line and curl my lashes. And this also doesn't pull my lashes out, which is so important, especially when I'm trying to have volume on my lashes. So that's everything I purchased from Sephora. I do have my deluxe size sample products that I got with my points. If you are a beauty insider, a VIB, a Rouge beauty insider, then every purchase you make, every dollar gets you points. And with those points, you can get free deluxe size sample products. So one of the products I got with my points is this Algenist Liquid Skin Resurfacing 2% BHA Toner. So I really love my BHA toners, my acid toners. I have my favorites, but I'm really excited to try this one. I also got from Glow Recipe their best-selling duo for hydration and glow, and it is, I think it's their toner and their, let's see, it's their brightening serum and their pore tightening toner. So this is their toner and this is their serum. I love Glow Recipe, so I always want to try the deluxe samples whenever they are offering them, if they're products that I haven't tried yet, because their products are incredibly hydrating to my skin and soothing and nourishing. So I really love that brand. And then it was my birthday in July, so the choice I made was the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. They give you a few different gifts to choose from, and I got the Charlotte Tilbury. And this comes with their very cult classic favorite mini lipstick in Pillow Talk. I have the full size of this lipstick, but look at how cute. I love minis. Do you guys love minis? I love the packaging. I love how cute they are. Look at that. This is such a beautiful shade. Like I said, I have this in its full size, but look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I love it so much. And it also comes with their mascara. I mean, their mini sizes are absolutely adorable. I love them. Okay, and the last thing I got with my points is this makeup bag. I really like the Sephora makeup bags. I always get them whenever they offer them because they just work so well. I mean, I don't know, they're roomy. I use them for so many different things. I could use it for makeup, I could use it for skincare, I use it when I travel. So I really like having the Sephora makeup bags. Plus, I find that they're good quality bags. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any other videos. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
'Cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge.